pedal this thing. I'm not going to give it any throttle, and you'll feel the acceleration from just pedaling.
No,
okay?
that's not, okay. Oh,
All right, here we go.
Okay, it's too good. It's too good. Come on. Roll, my feet are stuck in it.
That's an oxymoron.
Don't do anything.
Don't do anything stupid. We're stupid!
You're stupid!
We're stupid! All right, we'll take it out here. Oh, shit. 20.3!
What?
20.5!
Watch out for this bump!
Ah!
Oh, God, you almost killed him! Stop! I'm walking.
You're not going to believe this, right? Both of us on it, uphill, 20.1
He's
mile
not
an hour.
lying.
But downhill, 20.5. It went faster with more weight. This thing is a torque monster.
Oh, look at that.
Okay.
Oh, look at you, look at you.
Look at this.
What are you doing?
There's a safety feature there. When you tilt this thing, the electric motor will not propel you. It's a big roll of toilet paper.
No, it's just plastic.
I gotta go.
Lock it in place.
Lock it right